Hello my dear students, let's start new topic. Ray optics. Write down the heading ray optics. Ray optics and other name of this geometrical optics also. So write down. Okay. Firstly, we study about the ray optics. Firstly, we should know about the ray optics. What is the ray optics? What is the meaning of ray optics? So firstly, we understand ray and then optics. What is the meaning of ray? We can say that ray is a single light wave is a single light wave, or we can say that if I am talking about the definition of rays, the path along which light travels is called a ray. What is the ray? Ray is a single light wave, and definition of ray is the path along which light travels is called a ray. This is the meaning of ray. And now, what is the optics? Optics is a branch of physics. We deal with behavior of light, study of light, and interaction with matters and the instrument which is used detect it. What is the optics? Write down. The branch of physics we deal with in which we deal with study of light and behavior of light or and other electromagnetic wave. Is called optics. And so what is the optics? Optics is branch of physics we deal with study of the light, behavior of light and other electromagnetic waves. Is called optics. And the similar mean of geometrical optics also. Okay? So now you understand about the ray optics as well as geometrical optics. Now next, the one word is coming from here, electromagnetic wave. What is the electromagnetic wave? We already studied in electrostatics. When charged particle, this is a charged particle cube. We know that when charged particle at rest, it produces electric field only when charged particle cube in motion, then it's produce electric field and magnetic field. And the third one is when charged particle is accelerate. Charged particle accelerate. That time charged particle accelerate. That time This charged particle produce electric field, magnetic field as well as electromagnetic wave. Write down electric field, magnetic field and electromagnetic waves. Thus, electromagnetic waves produce. Okay? Because of charged particle accelerate, then this charged particle produce electromagnetic wave. Such electromagnetic wave study branch of physics is called geometrical optics or ray optics. Now you understand about the ray optics and geometrical optics. Okay. Now go further. And the next topic is introduction about light. What is the light? So basically we can say that light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy and light is a part of electromagnetic wave. Light is a part of electromagnetic wave whose wavelength from 3600 angstrom to 7800 angstrom. What I said? Now the topic is introduction of light. Introduction of light. What I said? First point, light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy. And light is a part of electromagnetic wave. Whose wavelength from 3600 angstrom to 7800 angstrom. This is the light. Okay? And what about say light? Light is responsible for our vision. What we said? Light is responsible for our vision. Okay? So this is the what I said. Light is responsible for our vision. Okay guys, this is the introduction of light. Now next topic is properties of light. First property of light is the speed of light. We can say that the speed of light in air and vacuum is equal to 3 into 10 की power 8 meter per second. What I said, next topic is properties of light. The first point is the speed of light in air or vacuum is 3 into 10 की power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light in vacuum or air. Now we write down this speed of light c. The symbol represents speed of light in vacuum is c. This is equal to c is equal to 3 into 10 की power 8 meter per second. Now we consider light is travel in a medium whose refractive index is mu. Now speed change or not. So now we understand what I said. We consider this is the speed of light in medium. Speed of light in medium whose refractive index is mu. So what is the relation between V and mu? V is equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by refractive index of that medium. What I said, V is the speed of light in medium and mu is refractive index. Refractive index. And this is the formula. What I write down? V is equal to C by mu, where V is speed of light in medium, where mu is refractive index of that medium. And what is the C? C already we know, 3 into 10 to the power 8. This is the speed of light in a vacuum or air. Okay. Now the new physical quantities come refractive index. So now we understand about the refractive index. What is the refractive index? So now from this formula, V is equal to C by mu. Now mu is the refractive index. This is equal to, from this equation number 1, C by mu, and we write down like speed of light in vacuum or air upon speed of light in medium. This is the equal to refractive index mu. Okay. So now if we talk about refractive index, it is the ratio of velocities. It is the ratio of speed of light in a vacuum upon to speed of light in medium. It is the ratio. So we can say that its unit is meter per second and its unit also meter per second. Both are cancel each other. So now this is quantity is unitless quantity also. So what I said, refractive index is a ratio of speed and it's also unitless quantity. Unitless and similar dimensionless quantity. Dimensionless quantity. So this is about refractive index. Now take one example. Light travels in a water. Light travels in water. Example number 1. We consider light travel in water. So what is the refractive index of water? Given 4 by 3. We have to find out the speed of light in water. We know formula already. From equation number 1, this is equal to C by mu in water. And what is the value of C? Is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Upon what is the mu W? Refractive index in water is 4 by 3. We solve it and the value is 9 by 4 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the speed in water. So now its value is decreased than speed of light in vacuum or air. So